Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you my new Sony Cybershot HX400V. As you can already see, it's got some new features like Wi-Fi and one-touch sharing. And today I'll be opening it and sharing this with you guys. Yeah, by the way, it's got 20.4 megapixel camera, 50 times optical zoom, and up to 100 times digital zoom. It's got 3-inch LCD and capability of full HD movie, that's 1080 pixel. So let's start this, guys. It's got some cool features like play memory and still image 4K and full HD 1080 pixel video recording. So this is some read through the information by the camera. European guarantee information documents. That's from the Sony registration. That's a Sony Wi-Fi connection and one-touch NFC guide. And that's digital stock camera instruction manual. As you can see, it's all the information whatever you need is in there. Oh yeah, by the way, I want to show you this, guys. Like, I just bought this for the first time, and it's got quite good information on it. As it says, memory card. For movie, you need class 4. If you got SD, class 4 or faster, which is quite cool. All the information. So let's take a look. Okay, so that's your charging adapter and your HDMI lead and the USB cable. Wow, this is cool. So that's your battery X type. And your protective camera lens. That's your connector, the plug to the battery charger. Oh yeah, this is a shoulder strap, neck strap. It says Sony on it. Obviously, it's quite good. And now let's take a look at this. It's quite light. Wow. So yeah, guys, it's got autofocus zoom and manual focus, direct focus. It's got a GPS. I forgot to mention, it's got GPS and mic, the stereo. You can also connect the flash. The LCD is quite cool, as you can see. That's your HDMI. You plug in the HDMI. That's your flash button. If you press this, the flash gonna pop out. And it's got sensor for the viewfinding, Wi-Fi and NFC. That's your recording button. And I really like this, you guys. I really like this. It's quite cool. And this got, that's where you put the battery. That's your SD card. That's all really, guys. It's quite cool. And just look at this. It just look like a DSLR, but it's quite light. Just look like them, but so obviously it's compact, the bridge camera, and it's very comfortable to hold, as you can see. What else can I show you guys? Obviously it says HX 400, the model number, and this is the lens. So if you guys wanna buy a new camera, bridge camera, I think this is one of the best camera out there. It's got 50 times zoom and really good, lightweight, and all the features. Yeah. And obviously if you're gonna record the movies, it's got 1080 pixel, which is quite cool for the reasonable price. It's about £300 from Curry's PC World or any other camera store. Alright, that's all, guys. Subscribe button, like and share button, please.